Hi there, welcome to Lesson 4. I'm your lecturer Elaine from CVlounge. Today we're going to look at illustrations. You can download the same image that we will be using in this lesson. See your textbooks for instructions. Create a blank layer above the original. Before you begin tracing, select your brush tool and bring it to the size that you want your thickness of your outline to be. Okay, that's a bit thick. Like that. You can change the size at any time. Now, trace the outline using the pen tool. Like that. Once done with a single line, we are going to add a stroke to the line created with the pen tool. Go to the paths, right-click on your work path, and select Stroke Path. Make sure it's set to Brush, and click OK. After each stroke, make sure you delete the work path. If you are looking for a different effect, you can always do this. Draw your line, make your brush size a bit bigger, like that. Go to Paths, right-click, Stroke Path, and tick the Simulate Pressure box. And you will have this effect. Now we will continue with the outlines. See the video on tools where we explained how to use the pen tool. Once you have traced all the outlines, you will have something like this. On your next clean layer, we are going to add base colors. This will make it easy to select separate sections of the image. Use your Magic Wand tool to select the open areas where you want to fill your color. This should be easy if your traces are nicely connected. You are also welcome to take your normal brush tool to fill in the colors. Try to fill each color and section on its own layer. So choose your color. While selected, new layer, edit, fill, like that. Outline, select your placement, new layer, edit, fill. Okay. The skin color, make sure you're on that layer, select. Let's choose skin color, edit, fill. If you're using your brush tool, you can fill your colors just by brushing over the lines. You can see there's some white spacing left there. You can fill it with your brush tool, like that. Once you're done, move the trace outline layer to the top so that it will fall above all the color layers, like that. Now for the second colors, make sure you're working on a clean layer just underneath the outline layer and above the base layers, like this. Select a darker color than the base layer. Use your eyedropping tool, like that, and choose a darker color, like that. Trace where you want to add shadow. Mostly where clothing are folded or underneath hair to show depth. Like this. paths, control and click on the path, edit, fill, say okay. And there is your shadow, like this, and also with the hair and the clothing. Use white for highlighted places. You can also fill a path with white and set the opacity lower to give a slight highlight effect, like that. If you are not keen on the solid look of the second colors, you can replace them with the gradient tool. It will add a gradient effect, smoothing the shadows and fading them out. Or even a soft-edged brush if you want to have full control of your shadowing. This effect will be done like this using the brush tool with a soft edge. Let's say if you want to make the jersey the gradient effect. So let's choose our secondary dark colors, setting our brush to a soft edge and also the opacity a bit lighter. Okay. On a new layer, make your brush a nice size, zoom in and give this effect like this. You have to click a lot on for this effect to take place. Like that. So you can always bring that effect into your illustration. This effect is not cartoonized, but rather digital airbrushing. This is up to you depending on the feel you are going for. So back to our cartoonized image, we can now add special effects to get the feel that you want. I hope you enjoyed it. Visit the lounge area for discussions with others. See you on the next lesson.